The internet is used for various purposes, including 1. Communication. It enables people to communicate with each other through emails, instant messaging, voice calls, video calls, etc. 2. Information sharing. The internet provides access to an immense amount of information on any subject, from news updates to academic research papers. 3. Entertainment. People can use the internet for watching movies, listening to music, playing games, and other forms of entertainment. 4. Online shopping. The internet has revolutionized the way people shop by providing a platform for online stores. 5. Education. The internet offers a range of educational resources through online courses, tutorials, and e-learning platforms. 6. Social networking. The internet allows people to connect with friends, family members, and even new strangers through social media platforms. 7. Business and commerce. The internet is a significant platform for businesses to market their products and services, and it also facilitates online transactions. 8. Research and development. The internet is a valuable tool for researchers in various fields to share their work, data, and insights.